Good, good.
What are you gonna paint?
I don't know.
Are you gonna paint something?
I think the new painting.
A new painting? Wow. What is it gonna be?
Oh,
Is it a top secret?
yeah. Yes, it is.
All right, I guess we'll be surprised.
Okay.
I can't wait. Are you going to be the artist painting the new mural?
I don't know yet. I'm thinking.
You think you might be? All right. I'm excited to see what it's going to be. No little hint even? How many years you been painting?
Not too much.
No? 2 years?
A little bit more.
Oh, well. Okay, we'll see what happens.